Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got a gorgeous 65 Mustang, ground up restored. It has a list of upgrades as long as my arm, including a fuel injected performance built motor, all custom suspension, new air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. The list goes on and on. If you go to our website, you can study all the specs, look at about 100 pictures of the car, get the price. And not only this car, we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be the first to see the videos if you click on the bell icon as they come out. So anyway, let's go for a spin in a 65 Mustang. I'm going to tell you all about the underneath. It's a Mustang 2 front end, so they got rid of the shock towers. It's all tubular control arms. Everything's new. All the hardware, nuts, bolts, cotter pins, bushings. Actually, it's upgraded polyurethane bushings in the sway bar, tubular control arms, coilover shocks. The rear suspension's all new. The leaf springs, the shocks, all been replaced. Bottom of the motor looks brand new looking up at it. Has a mini high torque starter, aluminum bell housing, the 4-speed trans, all that looks fresh. Everything attached to it looks fresh. It's a new drive shaft, new U-joints. They put a Ford 9-inch rear end in here with 350 posi gears. Really nice custom exhaust system. It's a fat exhaust with the X-pipe. It has MagnaFlow stainless steel mufflers. Sounds great. You'll hear it in a minute. All new updated brake system. It's disc at all 4 wheels. It's got a new e-brake assembly. And the whole bottom of the car is all clean metal. The frame rails, the floors, all metal. There's no rot or rust underneath this car at all. So the bottom's got plenty of great upgrades. The body has 0 rust or damage. They replaced any metal that was bad. The body is fantastic. It's straight. It fits nice. The red paint is polished out like glass. It's beautiful. I see a couple little nicks by the edge of the door here, but there's no cracking. There's no bubbling. It's like red glass. The emblems, the trim, the pony, the grill, the bumper, all been replaced. The windshield, the stainless trim around the windows. Even this looks like it's brand new. The rubber's new. All of that looks new. New door handles. The chrome's new. 15-inch radial redline tires on torque thrust wheels. The rear window looks crystal clear. They might have replaced all the glass in this car. It was a complete restoration. Yeah, it's a new piece of glass too. I would bet all the glass is new. It's got a real light tint. On back, the tail lights, bumper, gas cap, reverse lights, all of that's new too. Trunk compartment's clean. Again, all solid, clean metal. It's got the mat, it's got the tire cover. What it does not have is a jack or spare. They painted this up real nice weather strip, new latch, new hardware. So a nice, clean, solid trunk. The divider behind the back seat is new. It's got 6x9 speakers back here with a retro stereo in the dash and an auxiliary plug in the console. All new weather strips, new the latches, the hardware, all looks like it's been cleaned up and redone. New sill plates. It's got a great interior. First of all, the white against the red is stunning. It has pony seats, and you notice right away when you sit in it, it's new cushions. It feels like a brand new car because the seats are nice and firm. And then when you're sitting in there, you're going to notice a Shelby style steering wheel. It's got the polished wood rim with the aluminum spokes. It's on a tilt column. They didn't have tilt columns in these Mustangs. This one does. Everything on the dash is new. The bezels, the lenses, and it's got a really cool set of electronic gauges in the factory holes. It includes a tachometer. They light up blue. I noticed when you turn the key on, like the light monitors, your high beams, all that. It's all integrated into the new gauges. The odometer shows 690 miles on it. I think that's since the car's been built. I noticed the light works on the console. That's the full console with the little door that opens in front. Seat belts front and back. All new door panels, armrests, even the window cranks, the handles, all new. The headliner, the visors, all brand new stuff. You're going to open the hood. You're going to like what you see in there. Of course, that's a 4-speed shifter with a Hurst linkage. New dash pad. The trim on the seats is new. It's a 289 motor. The shop that built it said over 400 horsepower. That's a lot of horsepower out of a 289. But whatever it is, it's a strong running little motor. It's fuel injected, and that's new. It has the external fuel regulator and gauge. It has an all-new MSD electronic ignition system. Some nice polished Ford Motorsport valve covers. A new heat and air conditioning system with a polished compressor. A new upgraded power steering system. Upgraded power brake system with a cadmium booster and a dual reservoir. It's got headers on the motor. Everything's new. All the nuts and bolts and hardware, the battery cables, the battery, the washer bag is full and it's hooked up to the squirters, the pulleys, the fan, the shroud, the hoses. Everything looks new. It's got some nice billet supports here. Now normally there would be shock towers here. That's the way the original suspension was, but it's all made smooth as it's got the updated front end under there. All right, let me fire it up. You're going to like it. The squirters worked. I thought I was pulling the headlights. I was pulling the squirters. Now I got a wet windshield. That says something, that those actually work. Nice set of gauges. The needles even light up blue. This is a really well-built Mustang. Someone spared no expense. They did this entire car, top to bottom. Has all the upgrades you would want. The frames around the glass. I mean, they went the extra. The only thing they forgot was a spare tire and a jack. Goose it one more time. Well, there we go. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. We will help answer questions about the car, the process, delivery, financing. We can do all that at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.